PSA, do not leave your teammates if you can't win a 1v1. I need you to motherfuckers stay attached to their hip. That's a big PSA right there. Bro, you're still one. Why your teammates didn't push with you, bro? I love that ult. And still lost? Nah, that's wild. That's wild, bro. That's, yeah, I will quit too, bro. You still lost that? That's tough. That's tough, bro. Slow your roll, bro. Slow your roll. Slow your roll, big dog. Slow your roll, bro. Bro, these niggas is trash. Stop it. It's worth it. It's worth it. I'm gonna die, but it's worth it. I don't care.